One is so crazy to me. Oh my God.
Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living. Barely getting by. It's all taking and no giving. They just use your mind.